How to transfer a playlist from YouTube Music to Apple Music. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search Sound Disk. And here, click on Get Started Now at the top right corner of your screen. Then sign in with any account. I'll simply click on Google. Then select your Google account and you'll be logged in. After that, on the left side, click on Connect Services and you'll find all these options. Click on YouTube Music. Then choose your Google account and then press on Continue. Then click on Connect Services on the left side of your screen, which will open these options again. Click on Apple Music. Sign into your Apple Music. After it's done, click on Transfer. Then click on Select Source and select YouTube Music at the top. And in Select Destination, make sure you select Apple Music. Also, make sure you have added the account that you want to transfer from and transfer to. After that, simply click on Start in here, which will start your process. Then, click on the playlist you want to transfer and press on Confirm at the bottom. Then, add name and press on Save. Then click on Confirm and begin the transfer. After that, you're good to go. All the playlists will be transferred. And this is how to transfer a playlist from YouTube Music to Apple Music. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. About question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.